A trust is a really good way of making a gift or providing for someone, but with strings attached. I'm Laura and I studied law at Cardiff University, and I am now working as a qualified solicitor. A trust is something that we commonly use in wills, and it's a really good way of protecting your assets to make sure that they end up in the hands of the correct people that you want to benefit from them. We commonly use them for a married couple or those in a civil partnership where someone is concerned about paying care fees, for example. The way that we'd use a trust is when the first person dies, their share of the estate can pass into a certain type of trust, which allows the survivor to carry on living in a property and benefiting from it, but ultimately ensuring that that person's share of the estate passes to the intended beneficiaries, whether that's children, grandchildren, or other family members. Another time that you would consider using a trust in a will is to provide for vulnerable beneficiaries or those with disabilities, to make sure that you are providing for them, but without them taking full control of the money when perhaps it's not appropriate for them to do so, or they simply wouldn't be able to manage it themselves. If you were thinking of leaving a gift in your will to a charitable organisation such as Cardiff University, there are tax benefits for doing so. Any gift that you leave to a charitable organisation is free of inheritance tax. And if you leave a certain amount which qualifies as 10% of the base rate of your estate, then that reduces the tax rate from 40% to 36%. So in reality, that means that your beneficiaries usually receive a bit more, the charitable organisation receives what you would like them to receive, and the government receives a bit less in inheritance tax.